In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Proforma Invoice in Zoho Books. A Proforma Invoice is a polished, pre-sale document that looks like an invoice but doesn't record revenue yet. It's perfect for sharing pricing, terms, and expectations with a client before the final invoice. Let's set up a clean, professional template so you can generate these in just a few clicks. Start in your Zoho Books account and click the gear icon at the top right to open PDF templates. This is where you control the appearance and wording of your documents. From the list of modules, choose Quotes. In Zoho Books, Proforma invoices are typically built from the Quotes module because they act like formal estimates rather than finalized invoices. You'll see the standard template already there. Instead of editing the default, click New to create a fresh template. This keeps your original intact and gives you a dedicated version for Proforma invoices, which is helpful if your team still uses the standard quote layout elsewhere. Inside the template editor, click Transaction Details, then go to the Document Details section. This is where you can change the labels that appear on the PDF. Update the document title to Proforma Invoice. That single change updates the large heading your customer sees and usually the file name when you download or send it, so it's clear this document is not a final invoice. While you're in the editor, make any other changes you want for this template, then save. This is a great time to align the design with your brand, review which fields you want shown, and fine-tune the language customers see. For example, you might show or hide columns like discounts or item SKU, adjust colors and fonts to match your branding, include your logo, and add terms that clarify that this is a preliminary document, not a tax invoice. You can also add notes that explain payment expectations or validity, such as how long the prices are locked. Use the preview option to confirm spacing, page breaks, and totals before saving. Once you click Save, your template is ready. From now on, when you create a new quote for a customer, simply choose this template from the Template selection menu, and it will generate a Proforma invoice with the title and layout you configured. If you send a lot of Proforma invoices, you can make this your go-to template for quotes to streamline your workflow. And that's it. Click the gear icon, open PDF templates, select Quotes, create a new template, change the document title to Proforma Invoice, make your adjustments, and save. You're now set to issue clear, professional Proforma invoices in Zoho Books.